Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are tired of your device ringtone, and then you can change it with the following steps. First of all, please open the settings menu on your device. And then you can select the sound and vibration option. Well, after that you can choose the ringtone. And then select the SIM card to set the call ringtone you want. Okay, and then choose the ringtone you want here. And then the ringtone on your device was successfully replaced. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the call ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.